Hello, it's Frank Deardorff, that one web guy, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I answer the question is, how do I check my website on a new server before deleting it from the old server? Now, what that generally means is you're switching either your hosting company or you've upgraded your server, and you want to check it on the new server before you delete it from the old, before you change the name servers or that kind of thing. Now, there's an easy way to do that. So you can actually trick your computer to thinking that it's reaching out to the new server instead of the old server, and that way you can test everything just as it would be. Now, this comes in handy for like a WordPress install or just checking your general settings. Now, first, what you want to do, and this is for Windows only. I'll have to do another video for the Mac for the actual tutorial. But for Windows, you'll want to click on the little Windows icon down here, and you want to search for Notepad, or just start typing in Notepad. You'll see it pop up there. Don't just normally left click on it. You want to right click on it using your right mouse button, and you want to run as administrator. And of course that will pop up a little window that says this, and we'll click on yes, and then Notepad opens, and we'll want to open up what's called your host file. So we'll go to File, Open, and then you can see we have the path here, C Windows System 32 drivers, etc. Now I'll go ahead and step through that so you can see if you're not in that spot. So I've clicked on my C drive, or where Windows is installed for you. I'll click on Windows. We'll go to System 32, and then we'll go down to the drivers folder, etc. And you'll see actually there's no files listed. Don't panic, it's there. It's looking for text files. So you can see over here it says looking for text documents, star.txt. What we want to do is click on all files, and then we have this file here called host files. So we're going to open that, and I'm going to say that I'm testing a site on testing one for a client there, but say I want to test this here. So I'm going to tell it that payblue.com is on this server. So I'll just save this file. And then if I want to check to make sure that it's actually going to this IP address instead of the IP address that's normally on, I'll click on the Windows key again and run what's called Command, CMD. And that one I'm just going to run as normal. And of course it pops up on the other screen. So I'm just going to bring it over here. And we can actually ping what's called ping test. We can ping, and I'll just type in payblue.com, and it should tell me that it is this IP address. So I can then open up my browser and check to make sure that it's running from that site and not the new site, making sure that everything is correct as we want to. And of course you would just do that by pulling it up in your browser and viewing that. Now if I wanted to make sure I've reset it back to the original server, I can just clear this here, again save, or hit Control S on my keyboard, and then I can come back here again, and I'll just you can arrow up and it'll re-enter the same string that you had, or you can just type it again. I'll do that, and notice it actually goes back to where it is currently, 64.19 or .91.235.129 instead of what I had set in my browser. And now when I look at my website again, when I pull it up, everything will look just as it was originally. So that's one good way to test or how to answer the question, is how can I check my site on the new server before moving it. So I hope that helps, and I'll talk with you again soon.